Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video where I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, coming on to the trade, last few days I was engaged in a hospital case, so I was not able to give the recording. So, uh, today, coming on to the trade, I was following the Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty was giving a good trend. So, already the channel was in a downward kind of a um, moment. So, I had a bearish view. And here market opened inside the previous day value area. It retested the blue zone. It went down and again it retested, and this red candle I took an entry with a target at around this blue zone. But market oscillated in a up down kind of a formation over here. So I exited somewhat around here. I did not wait much. I 11:30 I exited. So initially here itself I had that 50 points, but I did not book over here. I waited somewhat till here, waiting to touch this level. But since it was taking time, I exited at that level. And I booked that 50 points in Bank Nifty at an option which had a delta of 0.35. So if it had a delta of 0.5, even here I could have hit that target. So it was a good trade and it gave a good confidence itself. Coming to the Nifty, it did not have that setup as Nifty opened in a higher level. This is the channel which I had drawn for the yesterday's trade. So today's trade, if we see, this channel was coming somewhat around and it opened. It initially broken the blue zone and it took a support again, tried to break that. So here I did not get that bullish view. That is why I did not take an entry in the Nifty. But Bank Nifty was clearly indicating the bearishness. So that also seeing into the mind, we could have entered a put trade over here. We could have got a good profit because this was the area where we entered the Bank Nifty put option. So even if we had entered the Nifty, we could have gained a good profit over here. So coming on to yesterday's trade, it was an expiry. And this was a channel which I had drawn. I had a bearish view. So initially, seeing here itself, I was pretty confident it is going to reverse, going to be a downward trend. But I did not take an entry. So I waited, and somewhat around this retracement, I took an entry and captured a small point. Throughout the entire range, I did not wait for it. I took a small profit and exited. So this is giving good confidence because I'm able to trade in one quantity with a good stop loss and a good target. So that's it from my side. Thank you.